Hello everyone. Today we're going to be showing you how to browse the library's A to Z resource collection. The A to Z collection is a selection of resources that the library subscribes to all in one place. This makes it convenient to find anything you're looking for, especially if you're not sure what resource it is that you need in the first place. If you look right here on the left of the page, you'll see the search bar that will let you search the complete A to Z resources by title or subject. For now though, let's click the Browse All A to Z Medical Databases button. So looking here, you can see that the school subscribes to 236 databases and resources. You can narrow your search down by subject, by database type, or by vendor if you happen to know which database is maintained by which vendor. Why don't we take a look at databases by subject? While you're looking for databases through the A to Z resource collection, you may see a variety of icons listed next to the link for that resource. Most of them just give you a general description of what kind of database or resource it is. However, there are two specific icons that you should probably know about. The first is the information icon, which looks like a lowercase I in a black circle. Hovering over this will give you a more in-depth description of that database. If a resource has this lock icon next to it, then that means it's on the CCNY server and will not be accessible for any affiliates or residents that are not part of the CUNY School of Medicine. If you're looking for a complete explanation of how the library's servers work, you can check out our video on the subject. And that concludes our video on how to browse the A to Z resource collection. Have a great day, everyone.